Hello friend, today we will learn about the names of animals and their babies. So let's get started. Cat, kitten, cat, kitten, dog, puppy, dog, puppy, hen, chick, hen, chick, duck, duckling, duck, duckling, cow, calf, cow, calf, pig, piglet, pig, piglet, sheep, lamb, sheep, lamb, goat, kid, goat, kid, horse, colt, horse, colt, buffalo, calf, buffalo, calf, elephant, calf, elephant, calf, butterfly, caterpillar, butterfly, caterpillar, rabbit, kit, rabbit, kit, tiger, cub, tiger, cub, lion, cub, lion, cub, fish, fry, fish, fry, kangaroo, joy, kangaroo, joy, frog, tadpole, frog, tadpole, owl, owlet, owl, owlet, monkey, infant, monkey, infant, donkey, foal, donkey, foal, giraffe, calf, giraffe, calf, deer, fawn, deer, fawn. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.